The tsetse fly isn't just any bloodsucker, it's a biological time bomb. Unlike most insects, the female gives birth to a fully developed larva, feeding it with a milk-like substance inside her body. This ensures high survival rates, allowing the species to thrive and continue spreading sleeping sickness, a deadly disease that rewires the brain. Victims suffer from extreme daytime drowsiness and nighttime insomnia, slowly slipping into confusion, hallucinations, and coma. With no vaccine and limited treatment, this tiny fly has shaped history, turning life into a waking nightmare.